Today you're going to get started with either Galactic Mail or Rainbow Reef. To find out which one you want to do, go into GameMaker. We just got done with part 1, Evil Clutches. So in part 2, this is the tutorial which will be in here, okay, which you've obviously already found, but I'm creating it right now. After that, you're going to play Galactic Mail or Rainbow Reef. Okay, so you're going to play either one of them. Now these two here are the stock ones that I want you to play. So these are straight out of the stock. These ones are created by students. Play them. What these show is these basically show extra credit, because I'll talk about extra credit here in a second. So play all those. Give yourself between 5 and 10 minutes to play them. When you're done, I want you to read the directions. Now the directions are here, and I think we went over them real quick yesterday. But basically you're going to be creating either Galactic Mail or Rainbow Reef. Okay, you have to create it just by following the tutorial. Now again, I went through the tutorial with you, with Evil Clutches. You're going to be on your own. So the easier of the two is going to be Galactic Mail. It has less objects, less sprites, less rooms. If you want a challenge, you can do Rainbow Reef, and what I'll do is I'll bump up your grade a little bit if you do choose to do that. If you're going to do Galactic Mail, you are going to start on page 41 in the red tutorial. If you're going to do Rainbow Reef, you can grab either a book from up front or I have the tutorials in a binder, and you'll just start there. Rainbow Reef has many more objects, a lot of sprites. It's going to be a little bit more of a challenge. Okay, you'll follow that one from start to finish also. To earn extra credit on this, you're going to extend the game by a minimum of 2 more rooms. That's on either one of the games. Okay, you'll add your own creative touches, whether it's new sprites, new sounds, new backgrounds, same sprites, but you're increasing the difficulty or the speed to make it more complex and more challenging. Okay, so after you get done reading this, you figured out which game you want to play. The next step is actually download the sprites. Now period 4, we already did that, but let's say that I'm going to do Rainbow Reef. I'm actually going to, you saw, okay, right here it says Sprite Sounds and Backgrounds for Rainbow Reef. We're going to right click on that, and you'll do the same thing if you even choose Galactic Mail. Click on download. It's going to download it. It's going to show it here. You can actually see that I've already done this before. Click right here at the end with this little pull down menu and do show in folder, and you can see that I already have 3 of them here. So what you're going to do is you're going to double click to take it out of this zip folder, move this over so you can see this folder, and you're going to drag it into your documents folder. Now it's probably not going to allow me to drag it because I already have one. You can see I already have one. I'm just going to say yes, I want to copy and replace it, and I'm going to do this for all of those. So it's going to basically copy it in there, so then you will have it. We did the exact same thing for Evil Clutches. Okay, so you'll have all the sprites, sounds, and backgrounds for Rainbow Reef, and you would have them for Galactic Mail too. After that, what you're going to do is you're just going to open up the tutorial and you're going to follow it step by step by step. Okay, I will be back to answer any questions from you, but again on Thursday. But you're going to open up your GameMaker. Just a reminder, mine is down here at the bottom. You're going to go to New. So you're either going to name this, I'm going to name this one, Rainbow Reef. If you're doing Galactic Mail, it'd be Galactic Mail, and then Create. You can see that I already have one there because I've done this a million times. I'm just going to do this as 2016. You can just leave yours as Rainbow Reef and then Create. It'll create it just like it did, and then you're going to start in with the tutorial. Okay. Now again, follow it step by step. Whatever it tells you to put in there exactly as you see it. Okay. I'll answer any questions for you on Thursday.